Here you go, people. Going to show you how I fix this problem. It's happened to just about every cup holder. So you want to remove this adhesive tape. Find that bit of isopropyl alcohol helps getting it off. Find if you just use your thumb, if you got a strong thumb, just work at it and slowly rub it off, and that seems to be the easiest way. Alright, once you got that cleaned up, you want to give it a rub down with like rubbing alcohol or something like that, just to get all the oils off and on the cup holder there. Alright, what you want to do now is mask up the lip of the cup holder and just around the edge of where the cup holder is going to live, because yeah, the Sikaflex is going to go absolutely everywhere if you don't tape up a nice area to work in. You want to put a couple of layers of gloves on, so as one gets dirty you can just rip it off and chuck another one on. If you want to apply like a thick layer of this Sika 291, this product here, thick bead around the lip there. You want to push it down as hard as you can and then move it around so it gets good bond. Basically you're left with this mess to clean up with terps or alcohol or something like that. Rightio, and if you've done a good job, it'll look like something like this, and your hands will be clean. Got a bit on me. You can never do Sikaflex without getting it on you. Alrighty, and all you got to do now is just load it up with something heavy. Just use lead sinkers here. Well, just use your imagination and just let it cure for about 24 hours before you take the weights out. And as you can see underneath, got a good seal on that, so unless you've pretty much got to break it to get it out. So yeah, better than that adhesive crap that Stabby uses. Alright, cheers guys.